Hello, this video is about my final project for the CSC594, and my final project is about for the final project I created a sneaker chatbot, which you guys will see a lot right now. If you do some online shop, there is always have like a chatbot, and you can ask some questions about the sizing, the inventory, and like sort of like customer service. But since it's my first time to create a chatbot, this time my chatbot is just a very simple one. You can serve my chatbot to place order, which means like you can buy a sneaker by talking to the chatbot I create. Here's my code. I use the Tickender, which will the library, which will when you want to run code, there will like a TK widget, like a window pop out, where you can like chat with the chatbot. And I also use some library like a random RE operator. Now let's log into my code. And for the item list, which like means the stuff and inventory you can buy by the chatbot I create. The list I just hard coded because I cannot find any related or data online, so I just hard code some. Here's the list which the chatbot would understand if the customer like greeting, send some greeting stuff like hola, hello, below, yo, hi, hi, 你好, 你好, like it's Chinese, means hello. And here's the agree list, which the chatbot will like understand, because the customer sometimes the chatbot will ask some questions, so you need the feedback or the answer from the customer. Here's the agree list. The chatbot will understand like yes, sure, of course, okay, yeah, 是的对的, and 是的对的 means yes in Chinese. Both means yes in Chinese. And here's no list. It's no, no yet, not now, next time, nothing. And here also 不是不对, both mean no or nothing or not right in Chinese. Here's the item list. Like I mentioned before, like those things, and you can those are things you can buy by talking to the chatbot. Sorry. Here's the code to create the widget window. And here is the function like to handle the input message. Here's the ordering list, which means like if you input the words like buy, order, purchase, the chatbot will understand you want to buy something from the website. Here's the item code list, which the item code will like relate to the item list here. Which means if you input the item list, the chatbot will list the other information about the item code. For example, if you input AJ1, the chatbot will automatically know you want the shoes, and he will provide some information like the size and the color. Here's the algorithm like how the chatbot works step by step. Here I define reply function, which will handle the stuff like when you ask something, the chatbot will automatically reply. Here's some conditional if else stuff. Which means the chatbot will handle different situations by different words or sentence. Here is the checkout and code detail. There, the code here handles stuff like the chatbot, which the chatbot will provide to the user requests. Here is confirm order function, which means when you decide what you want to buy, the chatbot will ask you to confirm your order. It's very simple, but it's my first time, so it's not gonna be very complex. Here we're gonna try to run code to let you guys see how the code works. Because I use Mac, so here's the Linux and the Linux system. You just sorry, should go to the documents which the Python file is located. Just run Python, then follow the after Python 3, then enter the file name. Don't forget to add the .py. Here now, this is the widget window. You guys can see here the chatbot will say, "Hi, Sneakerbot, I'm willing to help you today." The following stuff is those things which I translate into Chinese. Then I tried step I want to buy sneakers. Since the chatbots understand the words which I type is the buys the main words the chatbot understand, then he following the chatbots will like reply, "Okay, good. Please check out online store and copy the item code. I will send you detail." So the item code is, like I said, is here. So let's try AJ1. When the chatbot found the code, he will need you to provide the size you need, the color you need, and the quantity you need. Let's input size. Color yellow. Only one. Yellow. Here's a typo. Then when the chatbot like notice your order, he will ask you if to confirm the order. I just say yep, and then the chatbot will say the order received, and then after that it will ask you if the user need anything else. But if we type in anything wrong, or like I did before, like typo or like something is not in the list, the chatbot will reply you by some message like that. If let's try AJ16, I believe it's not on the list. Try say if you typo, the chatbot will say, sorry, I cannot understand it, and then we can retype. Then the chatbot will ask you something like that. This time we just type in something is not in the list to see what will happen. Same thing, if the item code you type is not in the list, the chatbot will carry the same stuff. And basically the video is cover all my final project. Thank you for watching.